It's a Ninja Christmas at Euronics, and we are joined today by Chef Adrian, who's the brand ambassador woohoo, for Ninja in Ireland. And today you are going to cook Christmas dinner just using Ninja products.
Yeah, so we can do absolutely everything from turkey, glazed ham.
I love glazed ham.
You know, the stuffing.
Love it.
The most important thing, the gravy, roast potatoes.
Yeah.
But the idea of this is that we're making this as simple as possible and stress-free.
We are not using an oven, we're not using a hob, we're just purely using these products that are in front of us.
Exactly. Yeah.
More time to sit down, as you say, have a glass of wine and enjoy the Christmas movies.
I love it.
Well, let's give it a go. So let's get the dinner going. So we're going to start with the turkey and ham, am I correct?
Yep.
And we're kindly joined by Kieran O'Sullivan from Phil O'Sullivan's in Cork. So if you're in Cork City and you want to buy a Ninja air fryer or any Ninja product, call into Kieran, he'll gladly help you.
So
brilliant.
I get to do nothing and he gets to do everything for me. I want to show you a technique with the turkey that we can kind of tenderize the meat, and I love this.
Yeah.
And this is very similar to, have you had a buttermilk chicken burger before?
Yes.
Have you had one?
They're amazing, yeah.
Yeah. So like, do you ever notice that the chicken is so tender?
Yeah, it's lovely,
and
yeah.
so nice. We've just a bone and roll turkey here for this. So you take that straight out and into the bowl.
That's
Use
a
your
big
hands.
piece of turkey.
Yeah.
How many
Yeah,
people
go
will
for
that feed?
That'll feed 6 as well. So we're gonna go straight in with this here. So pour that over. The acid in the buttermilk tenderizes the meat here, and it's just succulent and it's just so good. So that's basically ready. We're gonna do our ham next, and I wanna show you how easy it is to prepare these two side by side, 40 minutes, and your Christmas like meats are done.
This is amazing. We're going to cook a turkey and ham in an air fryer at the same time.
Exactly. Yeah, which I love.
Unbelievable.
So this is the ham, and this is as simple as this. Take tin foil, take a good bit of tin foil here. Kieran, you can place the ham then in the center of the tin foil for me here.
There we go.
So you go in, that, wrap it all up, and that's literally it. So that will hold in. You're trying to hold in as much moisture as possible here while you're air frying as well.
So this is the new AF500, and this is the biggest air fryer currently in the Ninja family. And it's worthwhile pointing out, like there's 2 compartments in it, or there's a single compartment.
Yeah.
It's 10.4 litres capacity, so it's a beast.
No air fryer's been able to do this before. You can remove this.
Yep.
And we were just saying earlier, you could literally put a whole leg of lamb
unreal.
in there.
The fact that you can divide is fantastic.
They're fantastic.
Yeah.
I love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the ham into
How many
one side.
people will the ham feed?
That's, again, like
6?
that's 6 to 8 people, that ham. Yeah, it's perfect for that.
The whole family. It's
Yeah,
amazing.
I know. And then you have then this. So we're going to remove the turkey out of the buttermilk. So you remove the crisp drawer for me. Now, underneath here, okay, so we have clementines, which I love. I think you can't
Love
have
them,
Christmas without clementines.
No.
You notice how sharp my knife is?
It's a Ninja knife, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Also available in Phil O'Sullivan's in Cork.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You have these
yes,
as well,
yes,
don't you?
Yeah,
They're amazing.
full set.
Full set, and look at this, because I want to show this, is that you can literally take your knife out of the side here, and I love the sharpening function of this. Pop your knife straight in, okay? You're probably better than I am at this, Kieran. And then literally this thing here at the side sharpens your knife for you, straight out, and your knife is good to go.
Aren't they fantastic?
Yeah, I love it. Really, really sharp knife makes a massive difference. Now I've got herbs. I love herbs when it comes to Christmas, so try and stick to like 2 to 3 if you can.
Yep.
So I normally go with thyme. Thyme is great with poultry. Then a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of a shallot. So I just get a banana shallot, cut it in half.
And they're sweeter, are they? The
Yeah,
shallot?
they're lovely and sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you could use onion as well if you like. And then you have some garlic as well. So in you go with that. So that's your trivet. So trivet is to stop the turkey base from burning. Really. So the turkey, we're going to go straight in on top of that trivet, like that. And then the last thing to do is just to season and add a little bit of liquid as well. So we're going to go with sea salt. Kieran, you can do
And what
that.
quantity of the sea salt?
Go for it. So you go, I'd say about good 2-3 pinches of sea salt.
Really?
You can eyeball it. And then you have then your cracked pepper next as well. A little bit of pepper on top. And we just need a little bit of liquid. And that's all it is. And that little bit of liquid underneath, it creates that little bit of moisture, and we do the same then for the ham as well.
Okay.
A little bit of liquid underneath. All that does is that creates that little bit of steam while these are cooking as well. That's it. Very simple, very easy, straight into your Ninja air fryer.
Fantastic.
And I'll go about 180, 190, entirely your call, and we go for 40 minutes and then we check it afterwards.
So we've got a turkey and ham cooking in there for 40 minutes.
What I can't believe here is the quantity and the speed that it's going to be done at, which is
40
terrific.
minutes.
Yeah.
It's unreal, isn't it?
Yeah.
These fantastic products are available at your local Euronics store, so drop in and see us. We'd be happy to help you.
Guys.
So that's cooking now. So what's next, Adrian?
We're gonna move on.
So the next step of our dinner is the roast potatoes, and we're kindly joined by Marcella Mullally from Mullally's
Nice to
Electrical in
see you.
Rosscray, and she's going to do the roast potatoes with you in the AF451.
And I love my roast potatoes.
So do I.
I'm gonna get you the peel with my vegetable peeler. It's like my small peeler, do you?
yes,
See you,
I
there
love
you
your
go.
vegetable peeler.
There you go. So you're gonna give them a peel. So normally I would boil these for 10 minutes beforehand, but because the Ninja creates that little bit of steam and everything, and I'm gonna show you a technique with that, so you can just do it straight from raw in here and still get the same result.
And I don't have to turn on my hob to boil them.
No, not at all. Don't have to turn on the hob, not whatsoever.
Told you, hob and oven's a band today. It's just
Yeah.
Ninja.
Just Ninja. And we're gonna go straight in and preheat it to get it hot. And I'm using duck fat for this.
What do you normally use,
And
Marcella?
Adrian, I actually use either duck fat or goose fat.
Yeah. So what I do is I just literally get the herbs. Don't even bother like pulling them off or anything. Just chop them kind of roughly with your Ninja knife.
Yeah.
These are great little Ninja knives.
Available
Love
in
these sell
Mullally
these.
Electrical
Oh, yeah,
Rosscray.
I'm going
Rosscray.
to invest in them now.
So in you go. And then you have next the garlic. And I don't even bother peeling this either. I'm gonna go put straight in like that. The whole lot. That's it. And then that's preheated. So once that's preheated,
Yeah.
you go straight in here then with your duck fat. Duck fat or goose fat, either or, whichever one you have. And then you go straight in, so you're just gonna pour in here. They go straight in, so just straight in like this. Just be careful when you add those in. And give them a little shake around, and then you add a little bit of salt now. So you're gonna get a little bit of that salt in there.
Off you go, Marcella.
Just season them up. So that goes straight in, and they're going to take, give or take, I'd say about 30 to 40 minutes in there to cook.
And it's now time for the stuffing. Just take it away, Adrian.
Right, so bread.
And Marcella.
And we're gonna go straight into the Ninja blender with this. So in you go. I'm gonna get you to push the button.
Do you want me to give it a
There you
go?
go, yeah.
Hope I get this right. Oh,
Again.
are you happy with that, Marcella?
I think it's lovely.
Marcella's happy. We can move on.
Yeah.
Now, so for this, I love a bit of shallot. So just very, very simply, I'm just gonna dice this. Then we have a clove of garlic as well. So just crush the garlic, take the skin off, and then you're just gonna give that a quick chop here. Sea salt onto it, and then just crush it to the side of your knife. And I'm gonna go in with the butter. So quite a bit of butter.
It's a lot of butter.
Yeah, I know, I love it. It's Christmas.
Ah, sure, look.
And
Spoil
then we
yourself.
have so you're gonna melt this down with the shallot and garlic that we've chopped in. So that goes in there.
Okay.
So that'll soften that as well. It's almost like you're doing this like, you know the way you would fry this on a pan, basically, you would try to soften them. It's the exact same thing. You can
Okay.
do this
In
your
a
air fryer.
saucepan.
Yeah, I'm gonna place that on. I'm gonna let that melt down.
I'll let you turn it on there.
Next then is the herbs. So we've thyme and rosemary, so I'm gonna pick these for this. So I'm gonna pick these out and I'm gonna chop these. They go straight in. So you're gonna add them in as well. Here you go. So the herbs go in now into the butter and all. Yeah, perfect. So
Well
all we
done.
have to do is wait, let that melt down, let them soften. Literally takes 5 minutes. Breadcrumbs, and then our almonds go in. So all melted. Take out your attachment, and then we go in then with your breadcrumbs into that. Mix that all together inside here, into that melted butter. And then what I do then,
It smells absolutely amazing.
it's great.
I actually can't wait for my dinner today.
It's salt in there, and pop that in again. Literally for, I would say, give it 3-4 minutes. Let it crisp slightly, and then that's ready. Done.
So Marcella, you are done. You're finished.
Thank you,
Well
Robert.
done. The roast potatoes, the stuffing is done. So we're going to move on to the vegetables now, and we're going to get Ray to give us a hand for that.
Lovely. Thank
No
you
problem.
very much,
Thanks.
Robert.
So we've got our roast potatoes are done, correct?
And stuffing,
Is done.
and turkey and ham.
So we've a new guest
Yeah.
And we've Ray Sweeney from Ben Sweeney Euronics in Letterkenny.
Good to meet you.
Yep.
And you're going to prepare the vegetables and cook the vegetables with Adrian.
No problem. Yeah.
What do you think of this machine?
Fabulous. The Ninja air fryer is one of our biggest selling products at the moment. Fantastic product. And I'm looking forward to hearing how Chef Adrian cooks on it and all the cooking tips.
You have one of these at home, don't you?
Yep.
This exact one?
The exact one.
Well, wait till you see this. You're going to learn how to use it better.
Now, so carrots, I have broccoli, little mange too, and the sprouts. But I want to show you the trick for them as well. Carrots, I'm going to pop into this side here. There's no tray or nothing on there. They go in. And I'm going to add some butter to this.
More lovely butter.
Yes. In you go. And then we have some honey.
Honey.
On top. So when you're doing this in the Ninja, a bit of water, and it'll evaporate, and then what'll happen is, when that water evaporates, it'll then start to glaze. So the carrots cook firstly with that steam.
So we've honey, butter, carrots, and water.
Check after 15, see you're getting on, and then we go from there. While that's happening then, because the broccoli and the mange too and the Brussels sprouts won't take half as long as that. It'll be a lot quicker, and I want to show you how to prep your Brussels sprouts. So what I do is I literally take the, just pop off the little tail off it, like that. And then if you wanted, you could pop this into the Ninja food processor and just blend them if you wanted as well, just roughly, and then I just chop them. And then I flavor them then as well with the broccoli and the mange too. So tonight everything's kind of together. So this will take 8 minutes in the air fryer. So you're gonna pop that in first. Then you add your mange too while they're cooking. So you add bit by bit. Let them cook away.
Fantastic.
Yeah. All I do is I add Worcester sauce and a little bit of soy sauce.
Worcester sauce.
Yeah, Worcester and soya to them both. Gives that little lovely umami flavor. And then that's it. Done and dusted.
Oh wow, look at that.
Now, so look, what we'll do is we will put in then our mange too in kind of in around the broccoli. Like that. And get the sprouts in this side here.
Okay.
So add them in there.
So,
Yeah, so next is the Worcester. Yeah, so that goes in. Good bit of that. Gives a lovely kind of, I love that kind of flavor. And so next is soy sauce.
lovely.
Pinch of salt onto it. Go ahead. On you go. And just a little bit of pepper as well to that one. Yeah, that's it. Small bit of pepper.
Well done, Ray.
Great job. Mix around. And then we're gonna go back in. Literally 3-4 minutes, they're done.
Now, we're going to come back for dessert. So stay with us. We'll be back shortly. So we're on to the last bit now, and we're on to our dessert. And Rebecca from head office has kindly joined us. She loves dessert. We've kept the sweetest to
I
last.
love dessert.
You know, I've made ice cream and I want to show this machine because it's insane. This
What's
is
it called?
the Ninja Creamy. Yeah.
It makes ice cream, it makes sorbets, it also makes cocktails. And I'm sure it makes many other things.
Okay, so for this, I normally use like a waffle flour for this. It's very, very simple. So this is 250 grams of a waffle flour. You want 1 egg. You're gonna put 1 egg into
Thank
the
you.
milk. This is 150 ml of milk.
Good luck, Rebecca.
So you're gonna mix and I'm gonna pour, okay?
I'll try.
Go for it.
Do my best.
And this is just like making pancake batter, basically. Same thing. Now, there you go. So look at that. Nice waffle mix.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's it. Okay?
So what's that?
That is, that's my waffle maker.
I'd just like to point out that is not a Ninja product.
a-
No,
Ninja.
no,
But
it's
anyway,
actually
it
not.
needs must. So we're going to do our waffles in this.
And then it is just basically 2 tablespoons of this mixture. So then close.
So what else are we having with dessert?
So we're doing ice cream. So this machine is so easy to use. So look, you just literally push this button here, twist it, comes down. There's a blade in here that does all the work for you. So you make your ice cream the night before, you fill it up into like the line here,
Yeah.
and then all you do then is you pop. So you pop a lid on it, put it into your freezer,
Okay.
then pop this in here, close, and then back into the machine. Now this is quite noisy, and then just close it up. A couple of different buttons and settings on this, so you can do gelato, light ice cream, milkshake, smoothie bowl, sorbet.
Oh, milkshakes.
So I'm just going to do light ice cream.
Now, so we're back. Normal service is going to be resumed now. So
let's see what this looks like.
Okay.
It's a lovely churn on it. Look at that. That's exactly.
Lovely.
It's lovely. Like,
show the camera that looks amazing.
Beautiful.
Yes, look at that. It's a lovely churn on it. So just put your spoon into some little bit of hot
Now,
water.
Rebecca, wait till you see this. This is going to look epic.
And you just roche here a little bit. And then you literally go with your low to stem Biscoff on top.
Oh my god.
There you go.
So that's us, is it?
That's
Amazing.
dessert. Let's serve everything up.
So-
it's cooking.
Let's sit down and have dinner. Now, wait till we see what's coming in here.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Wow.
Go.
That smells absolutely amazing. Doesn't it? All these products this was cooked in today are available in your local Euronics store. You can find us online at euronics.ie using your store locator. One thing left to do is wish all our customers a very happy Christmas. Happy Christmas, everyone.
Christmas.